Welcome to ESACon 2024 Patna. I'm Pranav Mahajan and I'm going to explain the key features of the ESACon app. So let's dive into the scientific program right away. In this page, you will see an info tab, which is basically the highlights of the entire program, and then you'll see various tabs for various days. On 20th, we have the workshops, on 21st, we have the CME, and on 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, we have the main conference. So on 21st, say in the CME, if you click on any session, you will see the details of that session, the specific topics, the chairpersons and the faculty members related to that session. You will also see a Q&A tab, a question answers tab, where you can ask your questions. Let me show you how. If you click on the question mark on bottom right, you can post your question. And if audience is asking questions, we will take these up during the sessions, and the important questions we may also display on the TV screen. So click on the tick mark on top right and your question will be posted. The audience can also like the questions, so the questions with most likes will start coming at the top, and the chairpersons or the moderators would know which questions to take up first. So we encourage the audience to ask as many questions in as many sessions as possible. So in this session, I can bookmark this session, I can take notes related to this session, and if I don't want to bookmark the entire session, then I can bookmark some granular topics. And I will explain what this bookmarking will do for you. It will actually create a personalized schedule for you. So let me go back and bookmark a few sessions on 21st. Let me show you, if you have to make your personalized schedule, how it will work. What I'll also do is that I'll go in some sessions and I'll bookmark some topics. So I have bookmarked some topics, I have bookmarked some sessions here, and my personalized schedule is getting ready. On this page, you will also see that there is a filter icon on top right. You can click on that and you can filter the scientific program on the basis of halls and on the basis of session types. For example, if I want to see sessions in the auditorium, hall 2C and hall 1B, I can select that. And in the session type, say I want to see the orations, the panel discussions, the forum sessions, and say the master classes, I can select that and click on apply. Then I will see a filtered program. So like this, you can filter the program on the basis of halls and on the basis of session types. Now let me go back and take you to the faculty page. All the faculty members have their own page where they can click and see their schedule. You can click on any faculty member's name and you will be able to see their schedule. So even on this page, I will bookmark a few faculty members. What this will do is that it will include their schedule as part of my personalized schedule. So now let me show you that. I bookmarked some sessions and topics in the scientific program, and in the faculty page, I bookmarked few faculty members. Now my personalized schedule is ready. So on day 3, where I bookmarked the CME, you can see that my specific bookmarked sessions and topics are over here. Wherever you see this red color multiple label, that means that in the same time slot, you have selected multiple sessions or multiple topics, and now you have to decide in which hall do you want to go. So like this, you have your personalized schedule curated for all the days once you marked your sessions and topics and faculty members. And there are various other pages. We have an FAQs page where we have put all the common queries from the audience and their answers as well. So please go through this page. If you have any queries, then you can post them as well by clicking on the question mark. And if you have any specific queries, then you will find phone numbers in the contact us page, and you can call specific people for specific queries. Thank you and enjoy the conference. Hope you all create a personalized schedule for yourself before coming to the conference, because there are going to be 8 or 9 halls and it is going to be very detailed. So please make your personalized schedule before coming to the conference. In the coming days, we will also update the information about the chairpersons of specific sessions and judges of specific sessions. We will update that in the app and you will get to see everything. So please make your personalized schedule before coming to the conference and ask as many questions as you can. We will try to take them up during the sessions. Thank you very much.